Students, today we have to study valuation of goodwill. The first meaning of goodwill, reputation of the business in terms of money. Goodwill is nothing but reputation of the business in terms of money. There are two methods of valuation of goodwill in your syllabus. First, average profit method, and second one is super profit method. So first, average profit method. There are two steps in average profit method. Calculation of average profit. Formula is average profit is equal to total profit upon number of years. Total profit upon number of years. Second step is calculation of goodwill. Goodwill is equal to average profit into number of years purchase. Number of years purchase. So how many years goodwill is sustained in the business is known as number of years purchase. Is already given in the problem. If there is no information regarding number of years purchase, we assume that one. So first example, profit and loss of past 4 years. They provide the information for 4 years, 2016, 17, 18, 19. 1,20,000 profit, 80,000, 20,000 loss, and 60,000 profit. To calculate goodwill under average profit method, number of years purchase is 2 years. They provide number of year purchase 2. तो स्टार्ट करेंगे हम लोग एवरेज प्रॉफिट. एवरेज प्रॉफिट फॉर्मूला इज टोटल प्रॉफिट अपॉन नंबर ऑफ ईयर्स. तो टोटल प्रॉफिट दे प्रोवाइड वन बाय वन इंफॉर्मेशन. फर्स्ट ईयर प्रॉफिट 1,20,000. तो टोटल प्रॉफिट इज टोटल ऑफ और प्रॉफिट to 1,20,000. Second year again profit 80,000. Third year 20,000 loss and fourth year 60,000 profit. तो लॉस को हम लोग इसमें से माइनस करेंगे तो लॉस 20,000 एंड प्लस 60,000 प्रॉफिट फोर्थ ईयर. नंबर ऑफ ईयर्स तो टोटल 4 years इंफॉर्मेशन इज गिवन तो डिवाइडेड बाय 4. टोटल करेंगे सभी 20,000 उसमें से माइनस करेंगे. टोटल इज अबाउट 1,40,000 डिवाइडेड बाय 4. तो एवरेज प्रॉफिट इज 60,000 सॉरी. तो एवरेज प्रॉफिट इज 60,000. नेक्स्ट second step, goodwill formula is average profit into number of years purchase. Average profit already calculate, write down here average profit 60,000 into number of years purchase provided in the problem 2 years. Write down 2 into 2. Average profit is 1,20,000. Sorry, goodwill is 1,20,000. Clear? Second method is super profit method. Second method, super profit method. Super profit method में total 4 steps आते हैं. First steps are same in average profit. Average profit is equal to total profit upon number of years purchase. Second, calculation of normal profit. To normal profit calculate capital employed into normal rate of return. NRR is nothing but normal rate of already provided in the product divided by 100. Third step, calculated of super profit. Super profit is nothing but more average profit minus normal profit. Goodwill super profit into number of years purchase. So steps. Example, फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ गुडविल अंडर सुपर प्रॉफिट मेथड. जो बोला है उसी मेथड से करेंगे. 5 साल का इंफॉर्मेशन दिया है. कैपिटल एम्प्लॉयड दे ऑलरेडी प्रोवाइड. कैपिटल एम्प्लॉयड इज नथिंग बट द कैपिटल विच इज इन्वेस्टेड इन द बिजनेस. द टोटल 3,50,000. नॉर्मल रेट ऑफ रिटर्न इज नथिंग बट NRR 12% already provided. and goodwill is valued of 2 years purchase of super profit. So first step, calculation of average profit, as like as average profit method, average profit is equal to total profit upon number of years. अभी वन बाय वन इंफॉर्मेशन लिखेंगे. फर्स्ट ईयर 80,000 प्रॉफिट प्लस सेकेंड ईयर 95,000 प्रॉफिट, 95,000 profit. Third year profit is 1,10,000. 1,10,000. फोर्थ ईयर लॉस तो माइनस करेंगे इधर से, 40,000 लॉस. अगेन फिफ्थ ईयर प्रॉफिट 85,000. Write down here 85,000. Make the total 3,30,000 प्लस माइनस करके 3,30,000. टोटल हाउ मेनी ईयर्स? टोटल 5 years there, so divided by 5, तो 66,000 is your average profit. The first is completed. Move towards second step, calculation of normal profit. Normal profit formula is capital employed into normal rate of return. तो capital employed they already provide and normal rate is 12%. तो capital employed is 3,50,000. 3,50,000 into normal rate of return 12%. परसेंटेज मतलब अपॉन 100 करेंगे, 0 0 कट हो जाएगा, इंटू किया तो बैलेंस कितना आ जाएगा? 42,000. Normal profit. Next step, calculation of super profit. Super profit is average profit minus normal profit. Average profit well already calculated. What is the average profit? 66,000 and normal profit 42,000. So 66,000 minus 42,000. Final figure is 24,000. 24,000. Next, fourth step is calculation of goodwill. So calculation of goodwill super profit. What is the super profit? 24,000 into number of years purchase. What is the number of year purchase? They provide 2 in the problem. Total 48,000 is your goodwill.